the variety of the selection, I would credit Stephen Herod Buhner in terms of breweries getting more creative with herbs. So a beer, in order to be called a beer or anything in that category, it absolutely must contain hops. We'll get into that. It's one of these mandates. Bureaucrats, the institutions telling us what we can and can't do, right? Now you can get like spruce ales and, cocoa porters and whatever. So there's this resurgence of adding all these different botanicals into the beers. And I would credit Buhner for writing those books, doing the research, and reclaiming beer back to a sacred, a herbal, and a healing beer. Right? You would go to the ale house for what ails you. Yeah. You know that term like the midwife, right? So that denotes an occupation, midwifery, right? Those who transition, help bring in the new life. There were all kinds of wives, just like husbandry also denoted an occupation, like caring for animals, animal husbandry. So there was the alewives who brewed the beer. So beer was mostly brewed by women and monks for the longest time. And we'll come back to that story in the church at that time and how their mandates.